Hi, welcome to our reading, phonics, and letters and sounds class. I'm so happy to be with you this morning. What day is it today? Today is Wednesday. That's right. And what day was it? Yesterday. Yesterday was Tuesday. Super. And what day will it be tomorrow? Tomorrow is Thursday. That's right. And what month are we in? We're in the month of February. What do we celebrate in February? Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day. That's our phrase. Happy Valentine's Day. Let's read the date together. Are you ready? Today is Wednesday, February 17th, 2021. Super duper duper. You guys are just amazing. Now, how many letters are in the alphabet? 26. That's right. And how many groups are they divided into? 2. What are they? The consonants and the vowels. And when we put a consonant and vowel together, it makes a blend. That's right. And how many vowels are in the alphabet? 5. That's right. What are they? A, E, I, O, U. Vowel disco. Did you dance with me? A, E, I, O, U. Vowel disco. Super. And how many sounds do the vowels have? At least 2. 2 different sounds. What are they? The short sound and the long sound. When it's the short sound, we mark it with a happy face. And when it's the long sound, we mark it with a line. Okay, can you read the short vowel sounds for me? Here we go. Look, it has a happy face. A, apple. E, elephant. I, inchworm. Ostrich. Umbrella. Super duper duper. Now let's say the long sounds. Look, they have a line. So that means that we're going to pronounce it the same as its name. You know the names of these letters. What's the name of this letter? A. And the long sound is also A. A, acorn. E, eagle. I, ice cream. O, open. U, uniform. Super duper. Now, what happens when we put a consonant and vowel together? It makes a blend. Let's sing our blends together. Are you ready to sing with me? Here's Queenie Quail. Say hi, Queenie Quail. Quack, 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 quack. Rosie Rabbit. Ra, ra, re, ra, ra. Ra, ra, re, ra, ra. Super. Sammy Seal. Sa, sa, si, sa, sa. Sa, sa, si, sa, sa. Super duper duper. Tony Tiger. Ta, ta, ti, ta, ta. Ta, ta, ti, ta, ta. Super good. And we have Victor Vulture. Va, va, vi, va, va. Va, va, vi, va, va. Super duper duper duper. You guys are amazing readers. Now, close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes. Open your eyes. One vowel words. Are you ready? Say them with me. Miss. Milk. Sit. Is. Hid. Will. bib, did, fill, hill, kiss, lid, quick, rip, sick, sit, six, Tim, pin, zip, win, pig. You read them all. You guys are such amazing readers. Good job. Now close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes, open your eyes. Okay, we're going to look at some special sounds. Are you ready to see some special sounds? Here we go. Ka, duck, e, me, o, go, I, fly, a, pray, stop, plane, frog, train, ship. Two sounds, and the. Thick, this. Bl, block, cluck, fl, flake, glue. You guys are just amazing. You really are. Now let's go look up here at the board. And we have some words. And today we're going to learn how to circle the special sounds, okay? So, this word says pray, and it has a special sound. I'm going to circle it here. This is a special sound, A. When we put the A and the Y together, if we put it inside the circle, it says A. If a vowel is inside the special circle, then we do not have to mark it because it's already inside the circle. That circle is telling us that these two letters make a special sound. A, a, pray. Wow, super. Okay, here's the next word. This word says stop. And it has a special sound. St, st, st. And it has one vowel. Ah, stop. You got it? Good. Okay, here's this next word says frog. Do you see it? Good. I hope you're seeing it well. I want to make sure that. Which way can you see it better? Is that way better? I'm trying to make it, I don't know if I should make it a little darker for you to see. I'm just trying to make sure you can see the words properly. So I'm going to look a little darker, but maybe you can see the board a little better. Is that better? Okay, let's try. Frog. So here's a special sound. Fra. Fra. Can you see it? Good. And it has one vowel, so we'll mark the vowel right there with a happy face. It's a short sound. Frog. Frog. Okay, look at this word. Remember I told you if the E comes at the end of a short word, then it makes the special sound. E as an eagle, but it doesn't go with the rule because there's only one vowel. But it's a special sound. So if it's inside the circle, we know it says E. Me. Okay? What about this word right here? There's a special sound. Tr. Tr. And there's two vowels in this word, so the first one is long and the next one is silent. Train. Last word, this word has a special sound. Fl. So if you see that, those two letters inside the circle, it says fl. And this is also a special sound. It doesn't go with the rules. I. It doesn't say yeah, it says I. So we're going to put this one. Sometimes the word can have two special sounds. Fla, I. Fly. Okay? Super. Now, up here on the board it says letters and sounds pages 117 and 118. So let's get our letters and sounds book out. Super duper duper. And let's open up to page 117. And let's make sure to write our names nice and neatly on the top. And we're going to do what we just did on the board. It says, circle the special sounds. A in pray. St in stop. Fra in frog. E in me. Tra in train. And I in fly. So you have to look at these words down here and you have to find the special sounds and you need to circle them just like Teacher Christy did on the board. Okay, you can do it. Okay, and we're going to turn to page 118. You see the page number right there? Okay, and it says, number 2, draw lines to match the pictures and words. So here's the words and here's the pictures. Can, car. Actually, this is a cab. I thought it was a car, but it's a taxi cab. Cab. Can. Neck. Net. Man. Map. Cup. Cube. Dot. Doll. Doll. Dot. Cap. Cape. Let's do it one more time for a review. Can, cap, neck, net, man, map, cube, cub, doll, dot, cap, cape. All right, and that is our class for today. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.